Djinn and Shadowmen are entities often associated with paranormal and supernatural beliefs in various cultures and mythologies. In Islamic theology, Jinn are supernatural creatures made of smokeless fire, possessing free will and often depicted as shapeshifters capable of both good and evil actions. Shadow men, on the other hand, are often described as shadowy figures or entities that are said to lurk in the shadows and evoke feelings of fear or dread. Theories surrounding dark matter and dark energy in the universe are rooted in modern physics and cosmology. Dark matter is a form of matter that does not emit or absorb or reflect light, making it invisible and difficult to detect directly. Dark energy, on the other hand, is believed to be the mysterious force driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. The connection between Djinn, Shadowmen, and theories about dark matter and dark energy universes may lie in the realm of the unknown. Just you wait though. And the unexplained. Just as Djinn and Shadowmen exist in the realm of supernatural and paranormal, dark matter and dark energy exist in the realm of theoretical physics, challenging our understanding of the universe. Some theorists have speculated about the existence of parallel universes or alternate dimensions or states of reality where entities like Djinn and Shadowmen might reside, drawing parallels between the unseen forces at play in both supernatural and cosmological realms. While these connections remain largely speculative, they inspire curiosity and spark the imagination, highlighting the mysteries that lie beyond our current scientific understanding. The connection between Djinn, Shadowmen, and theories about dark matter and dark energy universes invites us to explore the boundaries of our knowledge and contemplate the unknown forces that shape the universe, whether in the realms of myth and legend or the depths of theoretical physics. These concepts challenge us to consider the mysteries that exist beyond our current understanding of reality. But before I go, however, we possibly might have found where they come from and something about dark matter, as I mentioned earlier. Dark matter, as I said, is one of the most mysterious substances known or perhaps not known to scientists, could harbour shadow civilizations which we are unable to see. Researchers have claimed what dark matter actually is remains a mystery, but it was first conceptualized in 1977 by scientists who suggested that the substance, which is thought to make up 85% of all matter in the universe, is responsible for all of the unseen matter in space. its existence would go towards explaining why galaxies rotate and why they stick together rather than stars flying off in all directions. Now, a team of Russian researchers have added more intrigue to one of the most curious cases in the history of the universe by saying dark matter could yield dark stars and shadow civilizations, which are completely invisible to us. With the current understanding of dark matter, it could be possible for the substance to clump together. The team state in a paper published in the journal Physical Review Letters, dark matter could also be made up of a plethora of particles which just do not interact with matter and particles in our known universe. This would mean an entire universe could be invisible to us and residing within our universe too. Strange noises. The researchers theorized that both stars could exist in the darkness surrounding galaxies. Physicist Dmitry Levkov from the Institute for Nuclear Research of the Russian Academy of Sciences said, "In our work, we simulated the motion of a quantum gas of light gravitationally interacting dark matter particles." Shut up. To test this, the researchers wanted to understand how a dark matter Bose-Einstein condensate could form. Bloody crisis time, right? Put simply, a Bose-Einstein condensate in matter we understand, i.e. not dark matter, is a state of matter consisting of gas and particles which are cooled to almost absolute zero. The researchers wanted to understand if this could be achieved in dark matter. In theory, a dark matter Bose-Einstein condensate could form under the intense gravitational pull of gravity and condense into superfluids. Dr. Levkov said, "We started from a virialized state with a maximal mixing, which is kind of opposite to Bose-Einstein condensate. After a very long period, 100,000 times longer than the time needed for a particle to cross the simulation volume, the particles spontaneously formed a condensate, which immediately shaped itself into a spherical droplet, a Bose star, under the effect of gravity. The next obvious step is to predict the number of the Bose stars in the universe and calculate their mass in models with light dark matter. And if these Bose stars do exist, it could open up a whole possibility of what else could reside in dark matter, including the possibility of shadow beings. Theoretical physicist Lisa Randall states, "It seems very odd to assume, shut up, that all dark matter is composed of only one type of particle." The crows can't hear me, but it's bloody late. Need to work at midnight. An unbiased scientist should assume that dark matter isn't as interesting as ordinary matter, and necessarily lacks a diversity of matter similar to our own. An invisible civilization could be living right under your nose. Dark objects or dark life could be very close, but if the dark stuff's net mass isn't very big, we wouldn't have any way to know. Even with the most current technology, or any technology that we can currently imagine, only some very specialized possibilities might be testable. Shadow life, exciting as that would be, won't necessarily have any visible consequences that we would notice, making it a tantalizing possibility, but one immune to observations. In fairness, dark life is a tall order. Are the Djinn and the Shadowmen interdimensional beings, or as referred to as dark life? Shut up, it's gone past midnight. One day we may find out. Well, if you liked this video or found it insightful, then hit that like. And until the next video, take care and be well.